Once upon a time, in a bustling city nestled between rolling hills, there lived a man named Ananda. Ananda had always been a diligent worker, devoted to his job, and endlessly chasing success. He thrived in the competitive world of finance, but as the years passed, he couldn't help but feel a growing emptiness within himself. One day, Ananda's life took an unexpected turn when he stumbled upon a small, unassuming bookstore. As he browsed the shelves, a book with a serene image of Buddha caught his eye. The book, titled The Path to Inner Peace, promised insights into finding lasting happiness through meditation, drawing inspiration from Buddha's teachings. Curiosity piqued, Ananda decided to purchase it. Over the next few weeks, Ananda eagerly devoured the book's contents, learning about the Four Noble Truths and the Eightfold Path, which emphasized ethical living, mindfulness, and meditation as a path to liberation from suffering. Intrigued, he decided to explore meditation for himself, despite never having considered it before. Ananda's initial attempts at meditation were met with restlessness and skepticism. He found it challenging to quiet his racing thoughts and sit still for more than a few minutes. However, he remembered the wisdom from the book: progress often comes slowly, and patience is key. He began with simple breath meditation, focusing on the sensation of his breath as it entered and left his nostrils. At first, his mind wandered constantly. He would catch himself thinking about his work, deadlines, and the stresses of daily life. But every time he noticed his mind straying, he gently brought his focus back to his breath, just as the book had advised. Days turned into weeks, and Ananda's daily meditation practice slowly started to yield subtle changes. He began to notice moments of stillness amidst the chaos of his thoughts. The relentless chatter in his mind gradually began to quiet. He felt a growing sense of calm and contentment that he had never experienced before. One sunny morning, as Ananda sat on his cushion, something remarkable happened. With his eyes closed and his breath steady, he entered a state of deep concentration. In this heightened awareness, he felt a profound connection to the world around him. He observed the gentle rustling of leaves outside his window, the warmth of the sun on his skin, and the steady rhythm of his breath. In that moment, he experienced a profound shift in his perception of the world. The stress and anxieties that had weighed him down for years seemed to dissipate, replaced by a sense of tranquility and clarity. Ananda felt as if he had tapped into a wellspring of inner wisdom, a source of peace that had always existed within him but had been obscured by the busyness of life. As weeks turned into months, Ananda's transformation deepened. His meditation practice extended beyond the cushion and into his daily life. He found himself approaching his work with a newfound sense of equanimity, making decisions with clarity and compassion rather than reacting impulsively to external pressures. Ananda's relationships with others also underwent a transformation. He began to approach interactions with greater empathy and patience, realizing that every person he encountered was on their own unique journey, just as he was. He practiced loving-kindness meditation, wishing happiness and peace not only for himself but for all sentient beings. Word of Ananda's remarkable transformation began to spread among his colleagues and friends. They noticed his radiant presence, his calm demeanor in the face of challenges, and his unwavering kindness. Curiosity led some of them to inquire about his secret, and Ananda shared his journey into meditation and the wisdom he had gleaned from Buddha's teachings. Inspired by Ananda's example, several of his friends joined him in exploring meditation. Together, they formed a small meditation group, meeting regularly to support and encourage one another on their journeys of self-discovery and inner peace. Over time, the ripple effect of Ananda's transformation extended far beyond his immediate circle. The positive energy he radiated touched the lives of many, inspiring them to embark on their own paths of meditation and self-realization. Ananda's journey had not only transformed his own life, but had also become a beacon of light for those seeking a way out of the darkness of suffering. As the years passed, Ananda continued to meditate, finding ever deeper layers of wisdom and peace within himself. He came to realize that the true treasure of life lay not in the pursuit of external success and material possessions, but in the boundless richness of inner contentment and the capacity to spread love and compassion to others. Ananda's story serves as a timeless reminder that the path to inner transformation and enlightenment is open to all who are willing to embark upon it. Just as Buddha's teachings had guided him, Ananda's journey of meditation illuminated the path to lasting happiness and inner peace. A path available to anyone willing to take the first step on the journey within.